Hi everyone, today I want to show you a unique idea for home decor that you may not have thought of before. They're versatile, they go with everything, and you can display them year-round. I'm talking about these beautiful LED fairy light trees from Wintergreen Lighting. So allow me to introduce them to you, and when we're done, I'd like to get your opinion on something. First of all, these trees come in multiple sizes, which means you can stand taller trees alone or in vases on the floor and use small trees for decorative tabletop and furniture displays. In addition, they come in 3 color choices: black and gold, both with warm white LED lights, and silver with cool white LED lights, which means you can always find a color that matches decor you already have. Assembly is easy. Simply remove the tree from the box and connect it to the base plate. Then shape the branches however you like and enjoy. The trees are rated for indoor covered outdoor use, which means you can use them outdoors for parties or other special events. You just don't want to leave them outside to get rained on. And if you do want to use them outside, the base plate includes holes for stakes, which are included, so you can mount the trees securely in the ground. Wintergreen Lighting's fairy trees are extremely energy efficient and designed to be cool to the touch, which makes them ideal for high-traffic areas, kids, and pets. They feature a long power cord too, 16 feet, so you should be able to connect them to power from almost anywhere you want to put them. They're low voltage, with a power adapter included, so you just plug them right into any ordinary household power outlet. And how about these branches? They're shapeable, but are they sturdy enough to hang a Christmas ornament on them if I want to? Yep. So if you haven't tried lit decor before, give one of these LED fairy light trees a try. You can find them at christmaslightsetc.com. Just click the link below, it'll take you right to them. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to us yet on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button as well. Now here's what I wanted your opinion on. Which tree is your favorite? Gold with warm white LED lights? Black with warm white LED lights, or silver with cool white LED lights? Leave your answer in the comments section. Let's see which tree wins. Whichever tree is your favorite, it'll add light, beauty, and warmth to your home. I know mine does. So enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.